My dear students, under the heading of competency-based questions, we are talking about the questioning techniques at the different stages of interview. And this is the last stage that is called as the closing stage. At this point, the interviewer needs to make sure she has covered all relevant competencies needed to make a screening or hiring decision. So whether you are going for a screening decision or the hiring decision, you have to be very much clear that what kind of questions I have asked and whether I have covered all relevant competencies needed for this particular job. So you need to ensure yourself. So this is the last chance. The applicant has one last opportunity to sell himself. He has a chance to sell himself. He can explain his job competencies in a better manner in this stage as well. Closing represents 5% of the interview and should be devoted to competency-based questions. So competency-based questions are very much concentrated in the core stage, and then such kind of questions are concentrated in the closing stage. So it is a last chance, last opportunity to sell himself for the candidate, and it's a last opportunity for the interviewer to make the hiring decision in the favor of the candidate or not in the favor of candidate. So there are some questions. Number one, what additional examples of your work with difficult customer would help me to make a hiring decision? So you are asking about question about difficult customers. So it may help you to make a hiring decision. Number two, what else can you tell me about your dealings with the work model that will help me understand your level of expertise in this area? So you are asking some of the question about their work model, their job model, so you can get a better understanding about the level of expertise of the particular applicant in that particular area. And then there is another question, number three. What more can you tell me about your work with employee assistance program to help me understand about your experience in this area? So you are asking about some very specific employee assistance programs and you want to know the experience of the candidates in that particular area as well. And number four, what additional examples of your knowledge and expertise can you offer in support of your candidacy for this position? So you are asking a very specific question about the knowledge, skills, abilities, and attitude of the person. If such kind of answers are supportive, obviously it would give, it can you offer in support of your candidacy for this position, because such kind of questions can help you to decide whether the person is suitable for this particular job or not suitable for that particular job. And number five, if applicants leave your office delivering, they have had opportunity to present a complete and comprehensive picture of their job suitability, then it probably means you have acquired the information needed to determine a job match. So it is very much important that you have to get maximum information at the closing stage, and most of the questions need to be competency based, so you can determine the suitability of the candidate to the job, through which you can acquire information which is needed to determine a job match of the candidate in the organization.